welcome back to my channel. It's Lou with Beauty and More by Lou. Today I'm coming to you because I'm gonna keep it real, y'all, okay? If I love something, I will shout it from the rooftops. However, today, y'all, this is my first bad review, okay? I love nails, love them. I love trying different things. I've been wanting to try polygel, okay? I ordered from MELODYSUSIE, this right here. This, what they call nail builder, but it's the polygel kit. And as you can see, it comes in a really cute box. It comes with all of your different polygel colors, your base coat and your top coat and your slip solution. And this kit had 6 colors of polygel in it. It's got white, natural pink, orchid, light pink, clear, and nude pink. Then when you remove and see what's the top plastic that holds all of that, underneath are your forms, your brush to use for the slip solution and molding and, you know, your polygels, a user manual, which I went through, followed the instructions. Yeah, so that's what actually comes in this kit. Now, y'all, I have done my nails on my own for, I would say, at least 25 plus years. My go-to is normally tips with acrylic and, you know, the dipping. To me, that's the most easiest, and it's one of those that doesn't ever let you down. But I'm always trying to figure out new innovative ways, you know, wanting to try the latest things that come out. Well, I tried the polygel, y'all. It did not work out for me. It was a complete disaster, and I will show you some pictures. So yes, as you can see, that was a total, complete disaster. And y'all, I was so disappointed because I was really, really hoping that this would be something new that I could do. And, you know, it claims to be easier and faster. And, you know, you just put the polygel in there, use that slip solution, mold it on there, plop it on your finger, put it under the, you know, clean off all the excess around your cuticle, put it in your LED lamp or UV lamp, boom, done. Just a matter of buffing and, you know, you're done. Mine never dried, you guys. It never dried. And when I went to go file it, as you saw, it started bubbling and cracking, and it was a complete and utter disaster. And that stuff is sticky, y'all. So it was getting everywhere. So as sad as I am to say this, I have to give this a thumbs down. Now, you know, I'm not saying that it wasn't user error, because again, that was my first time trying it, but I don't think I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna stick with the old trusty, y'all. These always get me through, and they're strong for me, and, you know, I've been doing it so long. I guess, you know, it's an old dog, new trick thing. Maybe the new trick didn't agree with me, so I don't know. I do hope that you somewhat enjoyed the video, getting a little bit of knowledge. To recap, if you are not, you know, a complete professional doing the polygels, I would suggest you don't. Dip powder is much easier. That's just in my opinion. So Anyway, thank you so much for staying in with me through this video. And again, I'm always going to be straight with you. And these are, again, just my opinions, but I feel like I'm pretty knowledgeable in nails, so that didn't, Anyway, thank you again. Like, share, and subscribe. Come back and see me. Be sweet and always be that light in somebody's day, because we all need a little light, right? Okay. Love you. See you next time.